Option chain. Do you find it difficult to understand what is option chain? How to read option chain? All the complicated terms, all the complicated data, do you find it difficult to understand? I get it. In today's video, I will teach you what is option chain from A to Z. And if you stick tight with me till the end, this is my promise that you will left with no doubt whatsoever. So if you find that interesting, do two things for me. Subscribe to my channel and destroy that like button. So if you have done those two things, let's jump into our learning. So we are at my NSE website and nothing you have to do, just go nseindia.com and you will land in this page. So first you have to go to market data. Here you will find option chain. Now click on option chain. Now everything will look complicated, right? Lot of numbers, lot of terms, but don't worry, I will teach you everything step by step, and I given you my promise that no doubt whatsoever you will have after watching this video. The only thing is that stick tight with me. Now here a lot of things are there. First thing, we'll go from basic things, right? First step, we'll understand what is here. From here we'll understand. So here are the contracts that you can go and watch the what is the option chain, what is the current status. So first thing is Nifty, Nifty Next 50, Fin Nifty, Bank Nifty, Mid Cap Nifty. So all these things are available in options. If you trade, let's say Next Nifty Next 50, then click on Next Nifty Next 50 and the data will be here. So afterwards, then you can go to Fin Nifty. If you trade Fin Nifty, click on Fin Nifty, it will come. Then afterwards, Bank Nifty. If you are a Bank Nifty trader, then you can go ahead and the Bank Nifty option chain will be opened. Similarly, or if you trade any stocks, right? In stocks also you can understand there all stocks is available. Let's say you trade LTF, L&T Finance, then option chain will be right here. So any stocks, this is for index and this is for stock. Now, let's say we are looking for Nifty, right? Now, Nifty, here expiry day, this will be gone, right? Because we have selected or you have seen, right? Or either you can watch Nifty or you can watch the stocks. So now we have to look for expiry. So we all know on Tuesday, the Nifty have expiry. For all Tuesday contracts will be there. 2, 9, 16. If you want to watch it monthly, then go for 30th December. So 30th December, this is the month end contract. So these are the month end contract option chain, right? Then if you want to see the certain strike price, then even though the strike price will be available here, but even if you want to a specific strike price, so at what strike price, how many open interest are there, how many volumes are there, then you can go ahead, select this. But let's say we are looking for the next expiry, that is on 2nd of December, this Tuesday. So yes, we are looking for Nifty expiry, right? So now we have understood first step, how to go through all these things, how to select Nifty stocks or expiry and everything we have understood, right? If you have understood, write me in the comment section, I understood. Now, so current price here, the Nifty is 26,202. So this is the current price of Nifty. So afterwards, here go down, right? Now the first thing here is what is OI. So what is open interest? OI stands for open interest, right? So what is open interest? Understand these things. So let's say there is a buyer. There has to be a seller, right? For every lot you buy, someone has to sell those lot. Then only you can buy, right? Otherwise, how will you buy if there is no seller? So that buyer and seller come together, that is called open interest. So that is called one open interest. Understood? Buyer and seller come together, that transaction is called open interest. So one buyer, one seller, which means one open interest. Am I clear? Yes. Now, second thing is change in OI. So how many new contracts have been added or how many new contracts have been closed? So let's say there are 100 buyers and 100 sellers. Next day, 50 more buyers and 50 more sellers came. Then contract became 150. So 50 is change in open interest. Similar case, if 100 buyers were there and 100 sellers there, and tomorrow the 50 sellers gone, 50 buyers gone, then the open interest became 50. Then the change in open interest is 50. So how much change, how much contract has been changed throughout the day or the next day, that you will find in change in open interest. Third, volume. So volume is just how many contracts has been traded. So what is the volume of the contract? IV, initial value, right? LTP, last traded price. So what is the price of that option? Change, how much that LTP has changed. Bid quantity, how much quantity they are bidding. So one lot size of Nifty is 75, whether it's option or futures, it is 75. Bid, how much, at what price they are bidding. Ask, what is the ask for that option. Ask quantity, how much quantity they are asking for that option, and the strike price. And similarly goes on the left hand side. So the right hand side is call data and left hand side is put data. So call data means that market will go up. As an option buyer, you buy call, which means market will go up, and put means you buy put options, which means market will go down. Correct? That's what you have been knowing, because 90% of people, traders, are either option buyer or futures buyer, right? But 10% of people are option sellers. In option chain, we have to look this data as option seller point of view. Now, as an option seller, how call data I will interpret, which means that call has been, as an option seller will sell calls and option seller will sell put options. So when option seller sell call options, it means that he is expecting market will go down. And when option seller sell put option, which means he is expecting the market will go up. I'll say it again. When an option seller sell call options, it means that market will go down. When option seller will sell put option, it means the market will go up. From that point of view, we have to keep in mind when we analyze option chain. Right? I write it down in the comment section what I just repeated. If you write it down now, you will understand it very clearly in your brain. I say it every time. If you win it here, you will win it everywhere. So same thing, I'll say it again. As an option seller, when option seller sell call option, he is expecting market to go down. When he sell put option, he is expecting market to go up. So right hand side is call data, left hand side is put data. Now these all are the strike price, right? In the between, this is the strike price. So current price is Nifty is at 26,200. Now we have to find where the next major resistance is. Where are the highest call sellers sitting at? So call sellers are the one with the big money, the big fish, what you call in the market, they are the big fish. So call sellers, where are the call sellers are sitting? So 26,200 is here, 26,250, 300, 350. So you have to look at, in easy way, if I have to understand, the highest open interest are where the highest call sellers are sitting, or the highest open interest where is the option seller are sitting. So look at strike price right here. Go to extreme right hand side. Here you will see option open interest, right? Where are the highest open interest? Now if you look at 162,987, 1,62,987 contracts, lots is sitting here, and change here is 38,000. It means the more contracts has been added, it is in positive. If it is negative, see, for example, let's say minus 32, it means it's been reduced. They have added more quantity in as an option call options, right? Option sellers are the one who believe the market will go down. So the major resistance for me is 26,300. So now I have found my resistance. So what is at 26,300? At 26,300, huge amount of option call sellers are sitting with the big money. They are believing the market will not go above 26,300. That is how you have to understand option chain. At 26,300, huge number of call sellers are sitting. They will not let market will go above this. They are not expecting market to go above 26,300. Now next, look at 1,50,407 open interest is there, and change in open interest is 53,000. So more 53,000 contracts has been added, and the strike price is 26,400. At 26,400, huge number of call sellers are sitting, right? So when the moment market will break 26,400, either two things will happen. Either the market will fall or the market will give big rally, because this is where the more number of call sellers are sitting, right? As soon as the market will go up, all the call sellers will be lost and they will cut their positions and the market will rally. Either this is the first option or the second thing is that market will fall, because this is where the huge number of call open interest is there. Similarly, the right hand side will be your for finding the resistance. If you go to the left hand side in the white section, this is the white section, this is the dark section, right? Now in the white section you will find where the major support is. Support is will be where the huge number of put sellers are sitting. Now same thing here, if you go, the huge number of put sellers are sitting at 26,000. Here you will see, right, open interest 26,000. So at 26,000 the market, the put sellers are believing that market will not go below 26,000. 26,000 is a huge support for Nifty. Same thing, 21,000 contract has been added. Now, even more, look at the current 26,200 where the market is. Huge number of open interest is there, 1,45,000. And look at the change, how much more contract has been added. 46,353. Now, when I say contract, which means lot, in professional term we call it contract, but in your for understanding it is lots. Huge lots has been added, huge contract has been added, 46,000 contract. Above this, look at 26,100. 1,47,158 positions are there, and 35,000 are even more added. So 25,100, 25,200, 26,000, 26,100, 26,200 holds a very, very strong support for Nifty, right? So this is how you find support and resistance through option chain. That's how I understand. This is how I see option chain. So you have to focus on just right hand side and focus on the right hand side of the left side, right hand side of the right side. So if you find that helpful, if you have understood how to find support and resistance through option chain, do write in the comment section and let me know if you have any doubt whatsoever. So now we have understood how to find the support and resistance, how to find where are the huge call sellers are sitting, where the huge put sellers are sitting. I'm sure you will have no doubt. If you have any doubt, if you can talk to me one-on-one, you can write me on email or you can shoot me a message on Instagram. Both the links will be in the description. So this is it for today's option chain. I hope you would have learned a lot. Even I learned talking about these things. I enjoy a lot talking on these things. So thank you for watching. If you find that helpful, share with your friends and destroy that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.